So can you see who viewed your Facebook story if not friends? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss whether we can see who viewed our Facebook story if we're not friends with them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you uploaded a story on Facebook and then your friends were able to see it, but then you see those one other viewers, two other viewers. Those basically show up because they are not in their friends list, right? So you want to see who this person are. Well, unfortunately Facebook currently does not give you such a type of option where you'll be able to find the people who view this story if they are not in your friends list. So instead what you can do is you can try to prevent these people from viewing your stories by just changing your story privacy to friends. So only if they're in your friends list they will show up. For this, tap the three lines option here, tap the gear icon instead, and then just go to privacy checkup. Then just tap on who can see what you share, tap on continue, tap on next. You can see stories, select this option. Now if yours is set to public, what I would recommend you do is simply select friends here, and once done you can just come back and then save the changes so that next time only your friends will be able to view your story. But this way you should be able to figure out, but as I said, you will not be able to see if they're not in your friends list. You'll only be able to see if they're in your friends list. So what you can do is just change the privacy to your friends list only. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.